Hello everyone. So here we are on blood relations. So this problem is based on blood relations. It is given that A is brother of B, C is father of A, D is brother of E, and E is daughter of B. Then the uncle of D is. So here we need to find who is the uncle of D. So here we will draw according to the points. So here we have been given that A is brother of B. So B is here and A is brother. A is brother. Now second condition is here B can be a girl or a boy because they have not specified that B is a girl or a boy, but A is brother, so he is a boy, so we'll put it in square bracket. Now second point is C is father of A. So here C is father, so we'll go in the upper direction and he is a guy, so we'll put it in a box. So C is father of A. Now D is brother of E. We have D and E. So D is brother, so it will be in square bracket, and is brother of E, so E will leave empty because we don't know whether she is a boy or she is a girl or he is a boy. So now the last condition, E is daughter of B. So here we have B and here we have E. Since E is daughter, so we will put it in round bracket. Is daughter of B. So this is the family tree we have been formed. Now we have asked the uncle of D is. So here we can say B is either mother or father of D. So B is either mother or father of D. We have derived this. Second, B's brother will be the uncle of D. So here, if D is the son of B and E is the daughter of B, then B's brother will be the uncle of B. So here B's brother is A. So here we can say that A is the uncle, which is the solution for the given problem. Thank you.